This laser welding kit not only welds and cuts rusty parts, but also offers welding strength and speed 3 times greater than traditional machines. Just plug it in to start using it. It consumes only 1 kilowatt-hour for 6 hours of continuous use, costing about 12 cents according to New York electricity rates. Compact and portable like a pen, this product was developed by the renowned Stanley company, and we currently have 50 units in stock. If you purchase a second unit, it's just $24, and if any issues arise within 10 years, we'll replace it for free. With precision up to 0.01 millimeters, it can easily repair even the most densely packed circuit boards. The first 100 customers today will also receive a pair of safety goggles and a welding tutorial video. Click the link to order now and work confidently without worries about rust or flying sparks. Enjoy peace of mind while getting the job done.